Question number 3 and 4 on periodic functions. Question number 3 is, a circle of radius 5 cm with center at 5, 5. Circle represents periodic function along x-axis, true or false. And question number 4 is, a boy performing jumping jacks. This physical exercise represents a periodic function, true or false. I'd like you to pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. Well, question number 3, let's try to see what it represents. So let me draw coordinate axis here, right? So this is xy plane, and we have a circle of radius 5 cm with center at 5, 5. That means, let us say this is a circle touching, and this is, well, 5, 5 means it should have been touching here also. Let me change the scale now. Okay, so that becomes my y-axis. Okay, so this is my x-axis. Okay, since the radius is 5, it will touch both the axes at 5, 5. Correct? So that is how our circle is going to look. Now let's read the question. A circle of radius 5 cm with center at 5, 5. Circle represents periodic function along x-axis, true or false. Well, the circle normally gives you a look or feel of a periodic function. But what is repeating here? Nothing, right? There's just one circle. So along x as we move, there is nothing afterwards. There are no more circles, right? And therefore, there is no periodic function here. So it is a false statement. Do you understand? So I've seen this type of question so many times in the test paper, and students really get confused about it. Now, periodic function is a function which repeats, and exactly same thing has to repeat, right? So if I have many more circles here after every 5 units, then it could be periodic. But just one circle? No, it does not represent a periodic function, okay? I hope that's absolutely clear to you. Now let's move on to question number 4. A boy performing jumping jacks. This physical exercise represents a periodic function, true or false. That's interesting. Now when you perform an exercise, let's say in a count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, there is a period involved, right? And the steps are also same when you perform an exercise of jumping jacks. You will be on a position, then you stretch your legs, jump and clap your hands, and then again back to the same position. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it repeats exactly same steps. And therefore, this statement is true. So that is how we can answer these questions on periodic functions. I hope with these 4 examples you have learned what kind of functions or situations could represent periodic function. Now let's move on and see periodicity from the data. Thank you and all the best.